Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well by the grace of Allah. So today I have a very special vlog for you. As you remember, on my last vlog, you have seen we went to the farm and we bought some organic liver and heart. So today I'm gonna cook liver and heart, and they are organic. And I will show you how I cook by my style, by Haqs World style, and I hope you will enjoy. So first I'm gonna make masala. So for masala, what I will use, I'm gonna show you. First thing, I will take just less than half oil, and I just put inside. You see, and then you will see these all stuff I'm gonna use. These are onions and tomatoes and cloves. I'm not gonna mash them, and just some ginger. I cut it like in the pearl style, and this red chili, and this is the green chili, and all this stuff is gonna be in masala. So first I will put onion because it's hot now. Oil. So first I will put or onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Just I'm gonna stir it just for 1 minute. You see this whole cloves, I'm gonna put these all. It's around 10 to 12. It's a full garlic piece, so they are around 12 cloves, 13 cloves. And now after, you see, you can show them please to my viewers from here. You see, when we have a shape like this or color like this, then we will just put green chili and red chili. So I'm saying you to please follow these steps if you want to make the real one and nice one liver and heart. So now you can see the color of onions and cloves of garlic and green chili. Now this is the time when I will put these tomatoes inside. There are 2 tomatoes. I put inside. You see. Now the next step. For now, I'm gonna put these ginger I cut in the pulse style. So I will put inside. Masala is almost ready, but at this step or at this stage, what we're gonna do, we will put some yogurt, and it's less than half cup, and I will pour in this masala. And one more thing, at this stage I'm gonna put some salt according to taste. So every can put salt according to their taste, so there is no need to tell the amount. Some people like to eat more, some people like to eat less, so according to your taste. So now I will stir it. See guys, now on this stage you see all the masala is ready. It's perfect. Everything is mixed properly. So now what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna put these chicken hearts first inside because they take more time than liver. So first I will cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. I just mix them. So guys, now you see First I cook for 5 minutes the heart because it takes more time than liver. So at this point I'm going to add this liver, means this Kaleji liver I'm gonna add. You see, and this is the going to be fried with heart, because liver always take less time than the heart. I'm gonna just stir it. And again I will cover it for 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, this Kaleji is almost ready. You can see and feel it smell. It's so nice. I show you. Look, there's a 1 teaspoon garam masala. I'm gonna mix in it. And these green and red chilies, but I will put in the end. What I'm gonna do now, you see there is a 1 tip. When you put the garam masala, just mix it and just for 30 seconds cover it. Then all with the smoke, all the smell will come inside of the garam masala, which give more taste. Only for 30 seconds. So my YouTube family, finally you have seen my recipe. Have a look again. After complete dish, wow, it's really, I really taste it, and my nephew, and it's really yum, trust me. If you want to make like this, you have to follow all the steps I had showed in my vlog, then it will make same like that. It's really nice. So फिर वही जाते जाते एक छोटी सी बात करूँगा कि जब भी खाना खाने लगे और अच्छा खाना खाने लगे ख़ुसूसी तौर पे, तो हमेशा अल्लाह से ये दुआ ज़रूर कीजिए कि या अल्लाह दुनिया के अंदर जितने भी लोग हैं सबको अपने ख़जानों से अच्छा रिज़्क़ अता कर और कोई भी आज के दिन भूखा ना सोए। और इसके साथ ही मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, इंशाल्लाह आपको मिलूंगा एक नई वीडियो के साथ। उतनी देर के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।